sun, up with sun, up with sun. Mama cat wakes up with sun. Stretch and purr, it's morning. Papa cat is making tea, making tea, making tea. He flips fish flapjacks perfectly. Breakfast time is calling. Act what's calling. Sister cat loves drawing hearts, drawing hearts, drawing hearts. She paints rainbow stars and tarts. I made art this morning. Brother cat just wants to run, wants to run, wants to run. He chases yarn and jumps for fun. Catch me if you can. Then it's time for scrubby paws. Scrubby paws, scrubby paws. Bubbles, splashes, kitty claws. Bath time, so much fun. Then the cat family cuddles tight, cuddles tight, cuddles tight. Snuggles purring through the night. Sweet dreams, everyone. Meow, meow, we love each day. Love to nap and love to play. We sing, we snack, we leap, we lay.